As a merchant who has customers with several individual price conditions, you can import these defined prices from the system of your choice into Shopware via an API. These individual prices can then be displayed at several steps within the customer journey when a customer is logged in. This allows you to calculate specific prices for each customer. So welcome to the next video in our Beyond series. The next feature I would like to show you is the customer specific prices, which can be used in your shop from the Beyond plan with the Shopware commercial extension. As this is a feature that is controlled via an API, I will not be able to show you a configuration interface as usual in this video. But I will show you where you can find the relevant information about the Shopware API in our documentation. So let's get started. To begin with, it is important that your Shopware account can be compared with your license or plan. To do this, your license domain must be entered under Settings, System, Shopware account, and you must be logged in your Shopware account under My Extensions and then Shopware account. The license can then be synchronized and the features you are entitled to from the Beyond plan can be used. Another requirement is that the commercial extension is installed and activated. If we now want to enter specific customer prices in our system, we have to do this via the API. There is no view or function for this in the admin, which is why I briefly show you the whole thing using our documentation. To do this, we switch to the documentation in the section Shopware Extensions, Customer-Specific Prices. At this point, it is explained again that the use of the customer-specific prices is only possible via the API and that the requirements are the Shopware Beyond plan in combination with the Shopware commercial extension. Below is an explanation of how to retrieve the whole thing and how it looks in the storefront. But I would like to tell you more about the API and mainly show you where to find the information. So just scroll up again and click on here in the introduction of the topic. So this will lead to our Shopware developer documentation. Here we see some examples and even an example post at the top, or a response example at the bottom. I won't go into the technical details as this is part of the developer documentation, but I hope you have been able to follow me so far so that you know where to find the necessary information in the future. And so I come to the end of this video. See you in the next video of our feature series.